Today, let me show you a simple and easy guide on how to remove payment method on DoorDash. This is App Mentor once again, so make sure to watch the video until the end because this will be a straightforward process. First thing you want to do is open your DoorDash application and sign into your account. Go to your profile and click on the payment methods. Under the Add Payment Method, you should see all your credit or debit card if you added it to your DoorDash payment method. To remove one of your debit or credit card, swipe left the card you want to remove and you will see a delete button. Just click that and your card payment method will be removed. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!